A ox came down to the beautiful tree. As he splashed heavily into the water, he crushed a young frog into the mud. The old frog soon missed the little one. And asked his brother and sisters that what had become of him. A great big monster said one of them stepped on little brother with one of his huge feet. Big, was he said. The old frog puffing himself up. Was he as big as this? Oh, much bigger, they cried. The frog puffed up still more. He could not have been bigger than his chief said, but the little frog declared that the monster was much bigger, and the old frog kept puffing himself out more and more until all at once he burst. Ganda maaga, classmate. Ito pong ang lapu. Ito po ang aking mabait na tatay. Siya po ang inaayos ang sasakyan. Ito naman po ang aking mabait na nanay. Siya po ang nagluluto. Ito po ay ang aking at ito naman po ako po ay mabait ko. Ako po ang